Apple announced iOS 18 at the WWDC event earlier today, so if you want to download right now, you can do so. You can download the iOS 18 developer version, and then the public version will come out next month. So if you installed any of the iOS 17 betas from last year, all you'll need to do on your device is go to the settings application, head over to General, Software Update, and then you should be able to tap on Beta Updates. And some of you guys may have it off, but you will notice that there is going to be now iOS 18 developer beta. Just tap on that, make sure that's checked. And then after a couple of seconds, you are going to be given the option to download iOS 18 beta. It's roughly 7 gigabytes, so it may take some of you guys a while for it to download. Now, for those who haven't installed any of the previous betas last year, all you'll need to do is go to your Safari, head over to beta.apple.com, and then you want to scroll down where it says sign up and just tap on that. And then you want to log into your Apple ID. Then once you're logged in, just scroll down until you see where it says it gets started, and then you want to tap on where it says enroll your iOS device. Then click on open beta updates, click on open in settings, and now you should be given the option to download iOS 18 beta 1. So let me know down below in the comment section if you're going to be updating to iOS 18 beta or staying on iOS 17.